guys, welcome back to Mindful Eats. So today we'll be talking about our second superfood, and that's pumpkin. So like carrots, pumpkin is rich in vitamin A and hence it is very good for our eyesight. Pumpkin is loaded with antioxidants, hence it is known to reduce the risk of certain chronic diseases, especially cancer. Along with vitamin A, pumpkin is also loaded with vitamin C, hence it helps to boost your immunity. Pumpkin is loaded with fiber and hence it becomes a weight loss friendly food because you can consume it instead of other carbs like rice and potato and just take in few calories. So next time when you want to replace carbs, try pumpkin instead. Researchers have shown that pumpkin or consumption of pumpkin has lowered the risk of heart diseases, one being because it is high in potassium, so it lowers the blood pressure, and second being that since it is loaded in antioxidant, it stops the bad cholesterol from being oxidized in your body, which if it does oxidize raises the risk of heart diseases. Pumpkin is rich in beta carotene, hence it acts as a natural sunblock. And secondly, it also contains vitamin C and E, which helps in normal regeneration or the collagen formation of your skin, so keeping it healthy and strong. So to prepare these two recipes, we first need to cut the pumpkin and de-seed it. Next, we need to peel the skin of pumpkin and then cut it into chunks. For both the recipes, we require 1 cup of small pieces of pumpkin each. So let's prepare these recipes. So the first recipe we are preparing is pumpkin soup. To start off with, in a pot add 1 teaspoon of oil. To this add 2 to 3 cloves of garlic roughly chopped. Now to this we'll be adding 1 medium onion slightly chopped, 1 carrot diced and 1 medium tomato. Just stir it well and give it a mix. To this we're gonna add 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 1 cup of pumpkin that we had chopped earlier. Give it a nice stir and add roughly 2 cups of water. We're gonna let this simmer for roughly 20 to 30 minutes till everything is soft, and then blenderize with the help of a hand mixture or with the help of a blender. You should get a smooth consistency, and then when it's ready, just pour it in bowls. You can have it hot or cold. I'm gonna garnish this with some whole wheat breadcrumbs that I've prepared at home. I've prepared these breadcrumbs by toasting the whole wheat bread and then just giving it a mix in the blender along with oregano, chili powder and salt. And yes, you can use this for coating patties or even over the soups, the way you like it. Finally, I'm gonna garnish the soup with some coriander. The next recipe we are preparing is a pumpkin salad. For this, heat a pan, add 1 teaspoon of oil and spread it all over. Now to this add 1 cup of pumpkin that we had cut earlier. To this add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of chili powder. And mix it well, and you need to cook it till it's brown on both the sides and soft. For the salad, we're gonna be using a pesto. For this, first add roughly 2 tablespoons of coriander, 2 garlic cloves, 3 to 4 almonds, 1 chili and 2 dates, and squeeze lime. To this we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of salt and roughly half a teaspoon to 1 teaspoon of oil, and just give it a blitz. Now to complete the salad, in a bowl take 1 medium onion sliced, 1 cucumber sliced in halves, 2 tomatoes sliced again. And to this I'm gonna add the pumpkin that we had sauteed earlier. Top it up with dates. Now here I also like using chickpeas, so it's your call. If you want to add some protein, please throw in some chickpeas. Finally I'm gonna garnish it with the pesto we made and some coriander. So pumpkin is so versatile that it can be easily incorporated in all the dishes, be it sweet, be it savory. So next time if you want, you can add it in custards, you can add it in pies or in savory dishes like soups, pastas, curries, because it gives such a nice texture and taste to the entire dish. So do feel free to incorporate it. I hope you like this video. Do let me know if you want to see more videos like this, and stay tuned because we will be coming up with our next superfood. See you in the next video. Bye.